Introducing UB Third-Party Electro Technical Services by UB Sea and Shore Services. Reliable shore-based electro-technical expertise without the cost of full-time on-board resources. From daily PMS guidance, remote fault diagnostics, and 24/7 technical advisory to ETS superintendent support and planned vessel attendance, we've got you covered. Need inspections or repairs? We manage electrical, bridge, and machinery overhauls, audits, and vetting preparations, all under one trusted framework. Transparent, accountable, efficient. UB-ETS, powering vessels with smarter technical support.